If you think video editing will fix all your problems, well then you're wrong. Video editing can't fix these mistakes. Keep watching to find out more. Hi, Paigon here. Welcome back to my channel. I've said this before, but my videos would suck without video editing. Even if I know that video editing does not fix everything. So if you're here to get video editing tips or you're a beginner at video editing, here are some things to avoid to make video editing easier for you. Let's start with lighting. Video editing does not fix bad lighting. Or I should say, it doesn't fix it 100%. You can use video editing to brighten a video or color correct a video, but it doesn't solve all the lighting problems. Lighting can actually be simple and cheap to do. I've actually created a video on lighting, so if you need a cheap, easy solution for lighting, then check out the video above in the cards. It's on this side, I think, or in the description box down below. Video editing won't fix bad footage. If something happens to your video while you're filming, then that's it. Video editing can't save it. For example, I like to film my videos on QuickTime, and sometimes there's a glitch. Like, for example, I'm talking and I'm like frozen for like a couple of seconds while I'm talking. Usually, since I'm in front of the computer, I'll catch it. But there was a time when I was editing and I guess I didn't do enough retakes. So all the footage was, or I should say that section was bad and I couldn't fix it. Another example is from a client. She was filming on a camera, and I guess while she was filming, she didn't realize that her whole face had become blurry. So she didn't know until after she finished filming. So that's another example of bad footage. To avoid bad footage, you can actually film in sections. It makes it really easier. Or you can use B-roll footage to cover it up. And check out the description box below to check out those videos on B-roll footage and filming in sections. Last, we're going to talk about bad sound or bad audio. Sound is important because that's how people know or how people consume your information. Again, to a certain extent, video editing does fix sound, but for really bad quality sound, it doesn't fix it, or it'll take forever to fix. If there's consistent sound like the humming of the AC or the humming of the computer, you can actually edit that out. I like to use Adobe Audition to edit sound or to edit things like that out, consistent sound. Now, if there's something wrong with the sound, like your voice is distorted or there was a loud sound in the background to drown out your voice, that's harder to fix. So now you know that video editing doesn't fix bad lighting, bad footage, or bad sound. Honestly, all these things have a workaround with video editing. So there's always a solution with video editing. It's just that you want to avoid these mistakes because you're trying to save time and make less work for yourself. Creating videos should be easy and simple to do. In that QuickTime video I made, I kept saying QuickBooks, and there was no way I could fix that. Or I should say it would take more time because I would have to refilm or do a voiceover. And at that time I was sick. So the only thing I could do was to use like text graphics and make fun of myself for making that mistake. If you want to avoid these mistakes and make creating videos easy for you, check out my step-by-step video creation process. It's free. Check out the link down below in the description box. Have you ever had a problem that you couldn't fix with video editing? Let me know in the comments below. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. Don't forget to download your free step-by-step video creation process worksheet. Until next week, bye.